Hello everyone. So today we will be doing the tiger reserves in India along with the map. First, we will see the tiger reserves in Uttarakhand. We have the Rajaji and Jim Corbett Tiger Reserve in Uttarakhand. Then we move on to the state of Uttar Pradesh where we have Pilbhit Tiger Reserve and Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. And there is a buffer of Corbett Tiger Reserve, that is Amangarh in Uttar Pradesh, somewhere here in the border. Now we move on to the state of Rajasthan, where we have three tiger reserve, that is Sariska Tiger Reserve, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve, and the Mukundra Hills. Now we'll move on to the state of Bihar. Bihar has only one tiger reserve, that is Valmiki. Moving on to the state of Jharkhand, there is one tiger reserve, that is Palamu. Now we'll look at the tiger reserves in Northeast. Starting with the tiger reserves in Arunachal Pradesh, we have the Namdapha Tiger Reserve. Then we have the Pakui Tiger Reserve or the Pake Tiger Reserve. And then we have the Kamlang Tiger Reserve, which is not presently shown in the map. Kamlang in the map is supposed to be here. So next we move on to the state of Nagaland. Now Nagaland does not have a tiger reserve. Similarly, Manipur also does not have a tiger reserve. Then we move on to Mizoram, which has one tiger reserve called Dampa. Moving on to the state of Assam, it has got four tiger reserves. The first one is Orang. The second is Manas. The third is Nameri. And the fourth is Kaziranga. And talking about Tripura and Meghalaya, they too do not have any tiger reserve. Now we move on to Sikkim and West Bengal. Sikkim also does not have any tiger reserve. In West Bengal, we have the Baksa Tiger Reserve and the Sundarban Tiger Reserve. Now we'll move on to the state of Odisha. Odisha has two tiger reserve, that is Simlipal Tiger Reserve and the Satkosia Tiger Reserve. Now we will move on to the state of Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh has three tiger reserves, that is Indravati Tiger Reserve, Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve, and the third one is Achanakmar Tiger Reserve, which is not shown in the map. Now we move on to the state of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has six tiger reserves, that is Kanha, Pench, Bandhavgarh, Panna, Satpura, and Sanjay Dubri. Now we'll point it out on the map. There we have Kanha, then comes Pench Tiger Reserve, then the Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, then Panna Tiger Reserve, Satpura Tiger Reserve, and Sanjay Dhubri Tiger Reserve. Now we will move on to the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra has five tiger reserves. Number one is Melghat Tiger Reserve. Number two is Tadoba Andhari. Number three is Pench Tiger Reserve. Number four is Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, which is not shown in the map, which I'll show you later. And the fifth one is Navegaon Nagzera Tiger Reserve. The Sahyadri Tiger Reserve is not shown on the map. I'll show you. It is supposed to be here. The Sahyadri Tiger Reserve. Now we will move on to the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So Telangana has the Kaval Tiger Reserve and it has got the Amrabad Tiger Reserve. It is also a part of the Naga Arjuna Sagar Sri Salem Tiger Reserve. So it's like on the border of both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So Andhra Pradesh has only one tiger reserve, that is NSTR, Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salem Tiger Reserve. Now moving on to the tiger reserves of Karnataka. So we have the Bhadra Tiger Reserve, Nagarhole Tiger Reserve, Bandipur Tiger Reserve. It also has the Dandeli Anchi Tiger Reserve, which is present here and is not shown in the map. The Dandeli Anchi Tiger Reserve was renamed as Kali Tiger Reserve because the Kali River flows through it. The next one is Bilgiri Ranganatha Temple Tiger Reserve in Karnataka, which is not shown in the map. It is somewhere near this place, that is at the border of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Now we will be moving on to the state of Kerala. Kerala has two tiger reserves, Periyar and Parambikulam. That is, this is Parambikulam Tiger Reserve and this is the Periyar Tiger Reserve. The last state is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has four tiger reserves. Number one is Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. Number two is Annamalai Tiger Reserve. Then comes the Kalakar Mundan Tiger Reserve. And there is one more tiger reserve, that is Muddumalai, that is present here at the border of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So with this we come to an end to this session. I hope it was of some help to you. Thank you. Bye bye.